Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dryer Cycling Thermostat. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new cycling thermostat. The cycling thermostat regulates the heat inside the dryer by cycling the heat off and on. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's failed and the dryer is not heating, or the contacts inside have stuck together and the heat's not shutting off. In order to change the part, we have to take the dryer apart. First thing we're going to do is take out the lower screws with a Phillips screwdriver so we can remove the front panel. Now we can take the front panel off. You just have to lift it up a little bit so the clips come out of the top and it drops down. Once you have it free, you can set it back down, and then we're going to carefully swing it out of the way. There's enough wire here so you can just swing it around and lay it across the side of the cabinet. Now that we have the front panel out of the way, we have access to the cycling thermostat. It's the 140-degree one. It's on the blower housing mounted in the middle. We're just going to reach in with the corners nut driver and take out the screws. And we can carefully pull the cycling thermostat off the housing and out. And there's only 3 wires and they're labeled, but if you want to take a picture of it or write down where they go so you don't mix them up, you can. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver to help take them off. Got the purple one on the top, the orange one in the middle, and the blue on the bottom. Once you have all the wires off, you can pull the cycling thermostat out of the dryer. Here's the old cycling thermostat next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new cycling thermostat in, we're going to reconnect the wires. Remember, the blue one was on the bottom. The orange one was on the middle. And the purple one was on the top. Once you have all the wires on and secure, we're going to turn the cycling thermostat over and line it up with the blower housing. And we can use the quarter-inch nut driver to reach in and put the screws on. Now that you have the cycling thermostat installed, we can put the dryer back together. To put it back on, we're just going to swing it back around into place. And then you want to make sure that the little tabs right here line up with the cutouts in the top. Then we're going to put it in like we took it off. We're going to put it at a little bit of an angle. Make sure the clips go in and it doesn't drop down. Once you have it in place, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the dryer put back together, you can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.